Okay, so we made it to Gijon. These are the buses. And there's just a lot of shit going on here in the city. I mean, it's always like that in most cities you go, and there's just going to be a bunch of stuff that's happening. You know, where I live is like a really small town called Luanco, and over there it's most of the time quiet, but here it's just like bam, it hits you in the face. The cafes, they're really cute. Now there's a lot of trees. And that's really beautiful. So this is like a book market, I think. I like these little tables outside. You kind of see them everywhere, which is very nice. Show the center a little bit. So this is like this district is called Cintadela or something like that. It's right by the coast over here. There's boats over there in the back, you can kind of see. So here's like a more quiet little spot. People chilling by the trees. A little hotel, bar, restaurant thing, you know. It's cool. I mean, mostly you see like older people. I haven't really seen a lot of students. I don't know why. Yeah, I mean, if you go to Aviles, there's a lot of students. Here it's a little bit less. It's really pretty. It's a lot of really pretty buildings and colors. So many colors, man. Red, pink, yellow. There you got green, blue, orange, or tangerine, whatever this color is. Two doors. Okay, so I made it to this park here. It's a really big park. Goes all the way back, and then you got the sea on the other side. And then you have the view here. The city, which is quite good. I mean, you can't really probably see it so clearly. Clothes on the balconies. Very beautiful. Parties. Places like this, like little streets that you can just get lost in. It's really crazy, man. I mean, this reminds me a lot of Malaga, but just like a little bit more wild than this. Graffiti everywhere, you know. That is very nice. You know, you have graffiti over there too. Damn. All those stickers, bro. Little terraces. Very nice. And then you have this. Whoa. Oh, that's a nice view right there. Damn. Damn, okay. That is nice. That's a really nice view right there, no? And then you got Burger King over there. There's some folks playing music right now. I think this is very common. I've seen a lot of kind of street artists around Gijon. Now in the summer it's probably much more. It's very chill, you know? People chilling in the park, relaxing. See, that's what I'm talking about when I say like color. And there's just a lot of color everywhere. Like it just pops up out of nowhere. Really like it. On the top you have some plant, and then you have a wow, another building, a different color. This is like the vibe, you know. It's like a lot of outdoor stuff, a lot of cute little cafes. So yeah, it's really pretty. And just at night, you know how beautiful this must look with the fucking trees. It's very cool. There's street art everywhere. All over there too. Look at that wall right there, street art. I think this is the main like clothing street, like where you buy all your fashion shit. Because you can just see clothing store, clothing store, clothing store, clothing store, mango, and yeah, it just goes on and on. And I've seen like before, if you come here around like 8, it's just packed and full of people. Damn, look at that. Let's go inside there. Make some money. Oh my god, I love the colors. It's just like draws you in. Oh shit, very beautiful. Wow, look at that. It's luxury right there. So this is like another major, I guess you would call it a plaza, where like there's a lot of cafes, a lot of places to eat, and then you have book stands. Okay, so I didn't show this because I was kind of in the moment and I just approached somebody and asked to take a photo of them. So here's the photo. A girl sitting and reading a book. I mean, I asked her, and then we had a long conversation, which was nice. And yeah, we just talked a lot. And that was really cool to have that little experience of just meeting someone random, having a nice little conversation with them. It's very pretty right now. I mean, the light, I love the light. Wow. And then you got this people sitting, relaxing. Everybody chilling, taking it slow. Of course, you have to have one of these in the city always. A Starbucks. Look at this. Oh. Wow, it's a very cool place. Yeah, look at all these Tic Tacs. It's crazy. It's filled with shit. And there's a bike. Wow. So another thing I didn't film again is that when I was in that place, I had a nice little interaction with the girl working there. And yeah, I just asked, hey, could I film a little bit? And she was like, yeah, sure, okay. I filmed, and then she told me, oh, you know, I always find something new in this cafe. And we kind of talked about all the items. And kind of that was the point for me to bring my camera and to do some filming, because I knew that if I did that, it would kind of push me out of my comfort zone and to maybe talk to a few people here and there. So that's very nice, you know, that I was able to do that and just have like these random interactions, you know, just because I'm filming myself a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna end it here now. You got to see a little bit of Gijon. It's a really beautiful place with a really nice vibe and a lot of cafes. And the people are very friendly. The people that I met, was only 2 people, but they are very friendly. And yeah, and let's end it here.